Earn $1,000 in a day sounds unreal, right? Think again. It's possible, and I'm here to show you step by step. Let's dive in. This method is called affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You recommend a product online. When someone buys using your special link, you get a commission. That's it. Example. Imagine promoting a fitness app that costs $50. If the company pays you 20% per sale, you earn $10 per customer. Now, if 100 people buy through your link, you've made 1,000. How to start in 3 easy steps. Choose a product. Visit platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Pick a product you genuinely like or believe. Share your link. Use YouTube, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. Share your story, make it personal. For example, if you're promoting a fitness app, talk about how it helped you stay healthy. People trust real experiences. 3. Use free tools to stand out. Canva for creating eye-catching posts. ChatGPT for generating ideas and captions. No fancy gear needed. A smartphone is enough. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels make it easy to share your journey. Start small and scale up. Even earning $50 a day can grow into $1,000 over time. Be consistent, stay creative, and keep learning. If this helped, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on simple ways to make money.